Protecting company and customer information doesn't end at antivirus and cybersecurity. If a criminal is able to gain physical access to an office, they won't need a phishing attack or virus to access sensitive information. Physical security is all about making sure that only authorized persons are able to access secure facilities, devices, and documents. Good housekeeping goes a long way to keeping up physical security. Don't leave sensitive documents lying around, and shred them once they're not needed. Ensure that drawers and unoccupied rooms are locked. Lock your computer whenever you're not using it. Security features like swipe card access doors are of no use if unauthorized persons can get through them anyway. This is why you should never let another person use your swipe card or ID card. You should also watch out for tailgating. Tailgating is when someone follows you into a controlled area. This is often used to bypass swipe card access doors, security barriers, and lifts with security access. Don't let in people you don't recognize. Social engineering techniques are employed by criminals to make entry into secure facilities easier. Social engineering can be used to establish rapport or to exploit people's good nature. A common trick is to carry coffee cups in both hands, prompting you to hold open the door. Another trick is to hang out in the smoking area and share a cigarette to build a common ground. To counter social engineering attempts, try to look out for suspicious behavior. Question it if it feels like someone has an agenda when talking to you. Remember, think about where you leave sensitive documents. Lock rooms, drawers, and devices when they're not in use. Think before letting people into secure areas or through swipe card access doors. And always report any suspicious persons or behavior through the correct channels.